welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use a roller. So you can get rollers from literally anywhere, as they're not dance related, they're mainly sport related. This is what my one looks like. It's black and it's got these, but you can also get a foam one which is basically just smooth, but I've only got this one with me today. So before I get started, you want to be able to know when you should actually roll out your muscles, and when you should roll out your muscles after you've just danced. So, or if it's the next day and your legs are sore, because I had my acro workshop yesterday and we were doing all sorts of stuff, so my legs and my arms and everything's just so sore, so I think it's time that we roll it out. So the easiest ones I find to roll out are my legs. I find them the easiest, but I'll also show you your arms and maybe a bit of your back. So you just want a nice area. I have done it in my bedroom before, but I've brought my roller down here, so I shall use my roller. So how you roll out your legs is you're going to have your roller and you're just going to put your leg on top, so just under your ankle really. You can do one leg. I'll show you one leg and I'll show you both legs, but the first one is you just sit and you just roll back and forwards, and this will roll out your calf muscle. And if you want to, you can almost push down your leg a bit more just to really massage that muscle. And then if you then bring it under your knee, you can then roll your thighs and your quads underneath as well, and then you just flip over and do the other side. Or if you only want to do, if you just want to do it in one go, you can then do your shins together. You just have to have a lot of weight in your hands, and then the same for your thighs. You should really feel the massage of this roller. It shouldn't feel like painful, but if it feels a bit uncomfortable, then it just proves that sore muscle that you have is being rolled out. You can also roll out the sides, so the side of my thighs often get very sore, and you just roll them back and forth like that. And you can also do it on the other side, facing the other way, and you just roll out like that. So that's for under your legs. You also got the muscles on top, on your thighs, and just for that you'd almost go into a seal stretch with your knees just over it like this. Then you'd roll backwards and then forwards. Really gets those muscles working. And you don't have to do many of them, but I do recommend doing them at the same time, because it's hard to do just one then the other. So that is how you roll out your leggies. Okay, so this next one is for your arms. It's only a short, simple one, since I mainly roll out my legs because I'm more leg strong than arm strong. But just I like to roll out this muscle here. That's what usually gets the most sore when I'm dancing. So all you have to do is lay on your side with your elbow there, and you're just going to roll forwards. So you might actually want to start with it almost under your armpit, and you're just going to roll backwards and forwards, and you should really feel that in your arm. And then obviously you would swap over and do the other side. And if you want to do lower down your arm, you can just do it like this. Just very small, quick ones that are very simple and quick, but effective. So the last one I'm going to show you is for your back, which I do normally when I'm rolling out my muscles, but I wouldn't necessarily call it rolling out. I just like to stretch out my back both ways. This is kind of optional, but this is what I like to do. So you're just going to sit almost with the roller like that, and you're just going to lay on it so that it's basically in the middle of your back, and you're just going to lay down as far as you can go. You can readjust the roller, and you're just going to lay with the roller underneath it. Obviously if you can't do that much, you can just come up to here, but as long as you're looking up, releasing that neck and laying down as far as you can go. It just arched my back, and it's such a nice one. Also for cracking as well, it's just a nice one to relax in whilst also stretching your back out, because my back gets very sore and achy. And then to counteract that, I like to then twist over and bend my back the other way, by just arching it, which may look really ridiculous, but it is. I've found it to be quite useful actually. And I wouldn't hold this one for too long because it's on your stomach, just a little bit to then bend your back the other way, and you can go into child's pose afterwards as well if you don't like laying on your stomach for that one. But that's what I like to do to kind of keep my back being a bit flexible, because my back is definitely not one of my most flexible things. But yeah, that's it for this this video, and I hope to be doing a lot more videos of. It's my mum's birthday today, and but I've got some days where I'm out with my friends and stuff, but most days I'm just staying at home, so I can I want to come down here almost every day and hopefully film a video almost every day to upload like every half a week or something, every couple of days. So hopefully there'll be a lot of content going on, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!